So why it is required? Why it is required to prepare voter list when candidates have only the condition of age as eligibility? Why should they give other information to election commission? Why are candidates required to give information of their property to election commission? See children, already we know that that is the important criteria of democracy, the transparency. It is a right of the people, पब्लिक और जनता का ये हक है कि उसको ये पता चले कि उसके एक ट्रांसपेरेंसी होना चाहिए गवर्नमेंट और कॉमन पीपल के बीच में, सिटीजन के बीच में, कि कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें नहीं होनी चाहिए, ऐसी कुछ बातें नहीं होनी चाहिए कि जो कि सिटीजन को पता नहीं है. सो द ट्रांसपेरेंसी इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो कैंडिडेट्स दे आर रिक्वायर्ड टू गिव इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी टू इलेक्शन कमीशन. सो वाइल ये एनरोलिंग द नेम एज अ कैंडिडेट, the criteria they are supposed to fulfill. They are supposed to give the information of the property to election commission. Understood? So why, what is the reason? You know that what is the reason? Wastage of money. There should be no wastage of money. Understood? So it is very important. Second function is decide the timetable and program of election. So it is very important. The conduct of election is entirely the responsibility of election commission. The election commission decide when to conduct election and how many stages to hold election in every state. You know, when I used to declare the date, and after that you start preparing your symbol and you start pasting your symbol in front of library. So many things are there. So day 1, day 2, day 3, like this. And last day before election, the silent day. That means there should be no publicity, no advertisement, no campaign. You know all the process. So deciding the timetable and program of election, which is planned out by election commission, that is very important. That when to start, what the time of campaign, and when campaign should stop. Understood? So this timetable is prepared by election commission. Now third, scrutiny of application of candidates. Now this is very important. Nowadays we know that politics, it is very it is now something very different. People, they are not able to know, the common people, they are not able to know about their candidates. So scrutiny of the application of candidates is very important, and it's the duty of election commissioner to look after who is going to stand for or going for election, or who is going to select for as a candidate. So after the election dates are declared, every political party select the candidates to contest election. So many political parties are there in our country. You know the important political party, you must know. Some candidates contest the elections independently without support of any political party. Candidates of political parties as well as independent candidates have to fill the applications which include the information about their own self. That is very important. The election commission scrutinizes all the application and allows the eligible candidates to contest the election. Understood? तो कुछ ऐसे सस्पिशियस चीज़ें नहीं होनी चाहिए, सब कुछ क्लियर होना चाहिए, और जो भी फॉर्म में बोला गया उस सब चीज़ को क्लियर और सही सही भरना है, और स्क्रूटिनाइज करना इलेक्शन कमीशन का काम है. लेकिन आजकल पॉलिटिक्स का रूप ऐसा हो गया है कि उसको हम लोग उसको बोलते हैं कि उसमें कुछ भी ऐसे जो करप्शन हो रहा है वो चीज़ नहीं होना चाहिए. ठीक है, लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली इट इज़ देयर. So election commission scrutinizes all the application and allows the eligible candidate to contest election. So third point is very important, scrutiny of application of candidate. Now fourth is about give recognition to political parties. अब हर कोई अपना पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज बनाएगा, कुछ भी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को रिकॉग्निशन नहीं मिल सकता. इट शुड बी देयर इन 2 or 3 states which is popular or which is accepted by government. Understood? We have multiple party system in our country. New parties continue to be formed. Split in parties results in formation of new parties. आपको पता है जब 2 पार्टीज स्प्लिट हो जाती है फिर नया पार्टी बनाती है, all political parties are required to recognize by election commission. Election commission also has a right to de-recognize any political party. The election commission also allots the election commission also allots election symbols to political parties.